All my favorite things, all the things that I love, all the things that I hate, discrimination, I grudge. All the folks that I care, deep feelings I don't really share. Treasure places and zones, spots where I was hated and never felt home. Spots that make me cry, make me laugh. 50 shades of grey, can't see the contrast. Cutthroats and sly jokes, not a signpost. Blink twice and it's burnt toast. Close friends who turned out to be turncoats. I lack a consideration, backed up against the wall of limitations. Missed calls, miscommunications, missed opportunity, misinformation.